Good morning, Grizzlies. Today is Wednesday, April 8th, and here are your morning announcements. Did you try something new yesterday? I hope it went well. If it didn't, hopefully you were able to laugh it off. Being able to take a bad situation and focus on the positive is a great skill for life, but it does take practice. It's really easy to complain about things that are going wrong. However, if we practice mindfulness, we can also be aware of how we can change our thinking. For example, instead of saying, "I am so bored," you can say, "I have so much time to learn a new skill." Instead of saying, "I miss my friends in school," you can say, "I'm so glad that my friends and teachers are home safe so that we can be healthy for school next year." You could say, "I miss having lunch with my friends," or, "Hey, my mom gives me an extra snack in the afternoon." Remember, mindfulness. Thanks, Mrs. Baldwin. Teacher shout-outs today. We have shout-outs from Miss Cody, Mrs. Makedonsky, and Mrs. Beckelheimer. Miss Cody wrote, "My class is reading books on Epic. Penny has read 22 books so far, and Noah has read 11 books so far." I also had some awesome pictures sent of students working last week from McKenna, Hudson, Kyler, Brexley, and Christopher. Great job, students. Mrs. Makedonsky wrote, "I would like to give a shout out to my class for having 18 of my 22 students check in with me on Zoom daily. I would like to give a thanks to my students' parents who have been so kind to help me and have given me a warm welcome back from medical leave." Mrs. Beckelheimer wrote that she wants to give a shout out to Mrs. Niebrick, formerly Mrs. Phillips. Odin is having the opportunity to see his friends daily. Mrs. Beckelheimer loves hearing his excitement and laughter as he talks to his friends. You rock. Cole is also loving his morning time that his teacher has set up. The lessons are fun and engaging. Miss Harmon communicates so well with Cole. Miss Harmon is the best. I have to say both teachers are doing awesome at this time. Great job, ladies. Here's some pictures that were sent in of Grizzlies hard at work. Johnny in second grade for Mrs. White's class is working on his morning work. Awesome job, Johnny. Sam and Kate, second grade and fourth grade, are doing a new science experiment in their kitchen. And here's Ben and Sue, first grade and fifth grade. They've been working on a new watercolor painting together. Parent shout-outs up next. Miss Stepinski wrote a shout-out for her son. She wants to give a huge thank you and shout-out to Kyle in second grade. He gets up every morning and has breakfast and then goes to his desk and starts his work every day. He has been so great about staying on task and is open to learning new things, like baking, gardening, and how to build things with Dad. Thanks, Kyle, for being a star student. That concludes today's announcements. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Remember, we are Zuni Hills, we are one.